Effect of HF wave frequency on N-atom production in N2HF plasmas and its application in CN thin films deposition. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Microwave plasmas are produced in many chapters by launchers named Surfatron at 2450 MHz to form so-called surface wave (SW) plasmas. Another plasma RF 13.56 MHz structure was compared to Surfatron launchers with application to CO2 nitriding. Variations of N-atom density have been measured by emission spectroscopy, calibrated using no titration, in the N to late and pink flowing afterglows as a function of the wave frequency F used to generate surface wave (SW) plasma. It is found that N increases with the absorbed power but saturates above a threshold power which decreases with F. At 2450 MHz and a constant pressure of 4 torr, N reaches 1.5 x 10^15 cm -3 in the saturation regime, while a saturated value of only 7 x 10^14 cm -3 is attained at 13.56 MHz. The density variations of N as a function of F and Pa correlate in the increasing region with that of the vibrational temperature as a result of electron collisions, and in the saturated region with the gas temperature when it exceeds 500 to 600 K. Finally, N increases with pressure from 2 to 8 torr at constant power of 100 watts and decreases with the tube diameter 6 to 15 mm at constant pressure of 4 torr. These results show that the highest N-atom density is obtained at 2450 MHz. A source of N-atoms produced by such N2 afterglows was combined with laser ablation of graphite for CNX thin film deposition. The XPS and IR analysis of the films have shown that the presence of nitrogen atoms in the post-discharge enhances the incorporation of N into the CNX layers. The N incorporation increases as pressure is increased through the formation of hydrogenated carbon nitride groups, while at low pressure of about 10 to 3 torr, unhydrogenated sp2 and sp3cn bonds are produced in amorphous forms. The study concluded that the highest N value was obtained at 2450 MHz and that the power efficiency was also the highest at this same frequency. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.